StructUP is created to address a worldwide issue for students and their lack of practical knowledge to start their careers. In fact, it's widely acknowledged that students in the UK and around the world struggle to secure jobs after graduation and start to learn about their jobs only after being employed, a process that typically requires at least 1 year to master the fundamentals. StructUP has collaborated with the UK Chartered Civil and Structural Engineers from ICE and iStructE to develop practical courses such as concrete structures, steel structures, structural analysis, timber structures, masonry structures, and temporary works with construction projects as case studies. Above all, the Chartered Civil and Structural Engineers committed to mentor students and guide them on how to execute projects from the feasibility study to the completion. Students who successfully complete each course will obtain a certification and a letter of recommendation from their course designer or mentor. This recommendation certifies their competence and endorses them for civil/structural engineering positions anywhere in the UK. With us, you can secure your future careers.